hyperbole, it's hype. What we get with generative AI is extremely impressive, but it's not going to run the world. It does have the ability to create efficiencies, but it's more limited. Whereas predictive AI, which is older, very much still has great amounts of untapped value. Whereas predictive AI, which is older, very much still has great amounts of untapped value. I'm Eric Siegel. I'm the co-founder and CEO. This is me, is that it actually gets things right sometimes because it's only working on that low level of detail, the per word level, which results in that sort of seemingly human-like capability. There's a big difference between that impressive capability and the potential value. It's certainly valuable for writing first drafts. So it'll produce a first draft of a letter you need to write or a syllabus or something like that. But you can't trust it blindly. You have, and those predictions improve all the large-scale operations that we conduct. Predictive AI is so applicable across industries. Let's take the delivery industry. UPS is one of the biggest 3 delivery companies.
In the late 1970s, Eric Siegel became fascinated by AI. He later pursued machine learning and has been in the field since 1991. He observed AI hype intensifying with the rise of generative AI, which he believes is impressive but not a panacea. Generative AI, like ChatGPT, can communicate about various topics but struggles with true understanding. It excels at producing drafts but requires human proofreading, limiting its autonomy. Siegel emphasizes the importance of predictive AI, which learns from data to improve large-scale operations. It's used in various industries, like UPS, to optimize deliveries and save millions. Predictive AI prioritizes decisions based on probabilities, offering concrete value by improving existing operations. While generative AI is impressive, Siegel cautions against hype surrounding its potential for achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. He emphasizes the need for concrete use cases and practical applications to deliver value.